Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Armor X12, and today I will show you how you can boot this phone into recovery mode. So, to get started, hold the power button and from the boot options select power off. Now when the device turns off, you will then want to hold the power button and the volume up at the same time. So just kind of position my fingers right there, we go, good enough. And when you have this mode open, you can let go of both of the buttons. I do want to point out, sometimes when you let go of them, it will accept one of the options, which is reboot, when you just letting go instead of just doing what it did for me, which means that the device will automatically leave this mode. So if when you let go of the buttons, this page disappears, start holding them again and give it a second shot for releasing the buttons without actually leaving this mode. It's not how it's supposed to work, but sometimes it just happens. Now anyway, now using volume, I think it's supposed to be volume down, no, up. Yep, up to navigate, right? Yep, there we go. So you can select the recovery mode, and that is going to be the first option. Yep, first option. So recovery mode, and then press volume down to confirm it. And as you can see, we are now in the recovery mode. Now in here we can use both volume buttons, so down will go down and up actually goes up. And power button now will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Going over the options, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Then we have reboot to bootloader, which will be the first page that we have seen after turning off the device. We have also fastboot mode, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, vlogs, run tests, and lastly power off. Anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first option and confirm it, and like I mentioned, this will now reboot the device and bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.